So this is what I woke up to at 5 o'clock this morning. I gotta get my chores done. Enjoy the photos. Hey, welcome back to Pine Mountain's Hobby Farm. I'm your host, Jerry Hansen. Yep, we got 4 inches of snow dumped on us last night and this morning. We got more coming throughout the day. I'm just going to let you guys sit back and enjoy some of the snowy scenery around the homestead. I got to get some chores done. I gotta turn the heater up in the greenhouse because I got crops in there. It's 42 degrees in here. I need to turn that heater up. We'll just turn it up to medium. There we go. It's going to be nice and warm in here. I've got, we got food growing in here, so I just want to make sure I save my tomatoes, my peppers, and my zucchinis, which are sensitive to cold. I also have some tomatoes over here that I harvested. I'm allowing them to ripen a little bit, this is the last of my tomato crops, I might end up just chopping those up and making pickled green tomatoes, or maybe even some more green tomato salsa. We'll see. Hey, look what I found out next to the pond. I saw a raven in a tree out there, and I was suspicious that that raven was targeting something, and I was correct. I went and found a nest and have 6 duck eggs here. I'm going to go ahead and set them in the incubator and try to incubate them. Hopefully we'll do it. Hopefully we'll be successful. Chores are done. Now I'm going to go find a picture to paint, because I'm not doing anything outdoors right now. And as it warms up out here, I can come out here and maybe fiddle fart around in the greenhouse, get some stuff done. We'll see, but I think on the agenda today will be painting a watercolor of something. I don't know. I'm your host, Jerry Hansen. This is Pine Meadows Hobby Farm. We're a frugal homestead tucked high in the Cascade Ranges of the Pacific Northwest. We enjoyed all of 7 days of autumn this year. Yeah. Seasons are really short, and I suspect we're going to have a long winter. It's okay. We're stockpiled. We filled up all the propane. I got the propane truck coming out and stocking us up on that. So hopefully we'll get through. Stay tuned to know more videos and episodes, and I'll show you my paintings once I get them going and get them done too. You can do that by subscribing and clicking that bell icon that alerts you to new videos as I upload them. Give us a thumbs up. Click that share button. Sharing my videos on your social media platforms helps us out a lot. Be safe. Always be kind. We'll see you guys in my next adventure. Bye-bye now.